Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this we're going to talk about how to initialize an array using the for loop. Okay, so to start, let's create an array of integers. So if you guys remember how to create an array, that would be very easy. Let's just create an array called numbers. I'm going to create another variable called max numbers, which will be equal 10. Okay. Uh, let's initialize our array with this max numbers value, which will be a number which we can easily manipulate. Okay, so let's write a for loop. If you guys saw the last video, this will be very easy. Okay, so we have created our array, so let's initialize. So the max number while I is less than max number, let's increment this, and you could do this. Okay, numbers passing the index would be equal I, so you guys could do this, and we could write another for loop to show all the numbers. Okay, this would be a very different case where we're gonna access the numbers. Okay, so there is two different things happening here. The first one is for assignment. We're gonna assign a variable for each element of this array, and in the second case, we're gonna access each value of this array. So you guys can see it. If you take a look, it's pretty easy to understand. Okay, if you have been following this series till now, so let's click start. And after that, we should be able to see all the numbers. Okay, because we are just assigning the value, that's not something very interesting. But I could do I plus actual I times I, which would be the square of the number. So we have the number and its value at 2 power of 2 actually. So as you guys can see, it's very easy. Okay, there's no secret in this. So I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time.